Wednesday game of conditioning workout for this week. You're going to be doing the strength portion per normal. We're going to be doing 4 sets of 12 bent over face pulls. So we've done the banded face pulls from the rig many times. Your elbows are high, you're pulling at your face, you're squeezing your upper back and delts. We're simulating something almost exactly the same. You're just using gravity for that resistance. So you're going to have 2 dumbbells. You can also use one heavier dumbbell, that's fine too. But back is really straight, you're pulling up towards your face, okay? So your elbows should be almost in a wide position. It's not a row, so you're not down. Elbows are up and away from you. And you're pulling towards the face, okay? We'll be doing 12 of those, and then you're coupling that with 10 skull crushers. So you'll be lying down on your back. Start with the weights, extending your arms straight above you, and then from there your elbows stay really still. They don't move at all. And you're just letting the weights come down towards your face. Again, notice my elbow is not moving. So what I don't want to see is this. It's not a swinging motion. You want to control the elbow joint and just lift through with the tricep, okay? So it's going to be 10 of those. Let me make sure I'm looking at the right spot. Yeah, 10, okay? So really slow. Again, if you don't have tons of weight to work with, you can always double up that rep scheme, double it to 20. And then you're alternating that with 12 bent over face pulls, okay? After the 4 sets are done of both movements, we're going into the workout. This one is going to be a descending interval for the run. So you're starting with 4 minutes in total of running. It's going to be 2 minutes out, 2 minutes back. We've done this a lot with the Game of Stamina days, but we're using a stairwell. If you're going out onto the street, we're not measuring it by distance, we're measuring it by time. So it's going to be 2 minutes out, 2 minutes back. You can also just run in place for 4 minutes, that's also fine. After the 4-minute run, you're coming in and you're doing 20 single side thrusters. So you're going to have one dumbbell holding it at your shoulder. We're going to squat down, drive it up. You're doing 20 on your right side. And that's it, we're just doing the right side for right now. Once you're done with 20, we're going into 20 right-sided sit-ups. So what that means is you're going to come onto your back, you're holding the weight on the right side of your body, and then from there we're sitting up, okay? So you should feel a heavier strain on the right side of your body, and we're doing 20 of those. Once you're done, then we're going to go into a 3-minute run in total. So a minute and a half out or 90 seconds, a minute and a half back. If you're running in place, it's just 3 minutes total. Once you're done with the run, you're coming back in. Now you're doing 20 single-sided thrusters on your left side. So same movement, squat, thrust to full extension. Make sure that arm is right by the ear, your core is tight. Squat, thrust, okay? 20 of those, and then 20 sit-ups on the left side now. Once you're done with those 20, we're going into a 2-minute run. So 1 minute out, 1 minute back in. Then we're doing 20, same thing, right-sided thrusters. So we switch back to the right side of our body. Thruster, 20 sit-ups. 1 minute run. So now it's 30 minutes out, 30 minutes back, 1 minute total, and then 20 thrusters on the left side, 20 sit-ups on the left side. That's it. All right, guys, here's your warm-up for your game of conditioning class this Wednesday. We're going to start with 15 squats. Once you're done with the 15, pause at the bottom of that last one. Push the knees out, stretch back and forth, warm up your ankles. Hold this for about 20, 30 seconds. Once you're done, we're going to come up. We're going to grab a light weight, okay? And you're going to go into 10 push presses on one side. Again, this should be a lighter weight than you're working with for the workout. If you don't have anything, just use body weight, that's fine. 10 of them, switch sides, push press, 10 of them. Once you're done, drop the weight, come into a high plank position. We're going to warm up the triceps. So you're going to drop down, come up. So high plank to low plank, We'll do 5 of them, then switch directions. The other arm goes down first and up. You should feel this in the back of your shoulders and your triceps. From there, we're gonna do almost like a dolphin pose. So you're down on your knees, you're gonna drop to your elbows and come back up. So again, we're warming up the triceps here. Do 15. Once you're done with 15, roll onto your back. We're gonna do 10 leg lifts just to warm up the core. Drop the feet low, don't let them touch the ground. We'll do 10 of them. And then right into 5 sit-ups. Full sit-ups. Perfect. Once you're done with the 5, come up. Give me 8 good mornings. And then we're going to practice that face pull. So on the 8th one, stay in the good morning. Your back is really straight, your hips are pushing back, your weight's in your heels. From there, your palms are going to face you. You're going to pull your thumbs towards your face. Elbows are high, okay? If your elbows are down, that's not the same movement. So elbows are high away. Go and give me 10 of those. Once you're